Hello everyone, my name is Neha. I am a student of BSc Chemistry on 6th semester. Today we will perform the experiment to determine critical solution temperature of phenol water system. For this we have measured 6 gram of phenol. Here we have taken boiling tube, 6 gram phenol, water bath setup. This is burner, tripod stand with wire gauze. Here we have taken a cork with two holes, in which in one hole there is thermometer and other hole is for the stirrer. Now we will add 6 gram phenol in the boiling tube and 2 ml of distilled water to the same boiling tube. We will measure 2 ml of distilled water using the measuring cylinder and add into the boiling tube. Now we will adjust the cork in the boiling tube along with the thermometer after preparing the solution. Now we will fit this boiling tube into the clamp and heat it in the water bath. On heating, the turbid solution becomes a clear solution, that is, the turbidity disappears. Now when the turbidity disappears, we will note the temperature of the solution through thermometer. Now here we will note the temperature of the disappearing of turbidity. Now when the solution cools down, the turbidity again appears and we will note the temperature. Now again we will add 2 ml of water into the same boiling tube by measuring through measuring cylinder. Now total amount of water in the boiling tube is 4 ml. Again we will repeat the process by heating the boiling tube in the water bath and waiting for the disappearing of the turbidity. Now we will note the temperature. Now we will allow to cool the solution. Again turbidity appears and now we will note the temperature at which the turbidity appeared. In the similar way, we will take several readings. Like for example, again measuring 2 ml of water and pouring in the same boiling tube, making the amount of distilled water in the boiling tube 6 ml. So now 6 ml of water is dissolved in 6 gram of phenol in the boiling tube. Now we will wait for the turbidity to disappear and note the temperature. Now we are able to see the clear solution. Now note the reading of temperature at which the turbidity disappeared. Again we will note the reading of turbidity appeared when the solution cooled down. Now again adding next 2 ml of water and heating the boiling tube in the water bath and waiting for the turbidity to disappear. Again we will note the temperature. Now heat the boiling tube, thus obtaining a clear solution, after which we will measure the temperature using thermometer. We will repeat this experiment for taking several readings. Now again turbidity appears and again we will note the temperature. Here we have the readings in tabular form, and this is the graph of composition versus temperature.